Hey y'all, it's Tajala. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I achieved this definition on this braid out. So like the video below, make sure you are subscribed. I'm going to get straight to it. My hair is dry and stretched in these 4 plaits. I'm going to start in the back section. I'm using Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. So it says it will elongate. That's what I'm going to be looking out for. It almost has no smell, so it's shea butter mixed with natural oil. So if you really smell it, you can smell a little bit of the shea butter, not really. And it is a thicker, more butter type consistency. So one thing I do like about how she packaged it is a lot of product in here. You don't need a lot because it is a thicker product. So this will actually last me forever, I feel like. But anyways, I'm just going to brush the product through, and this is what it looks like after I apply it. It's another one of those products that don't get your hair wet, so it gets it just soft and moisturized. So I'm just going to speed past a few of the plaits that I put in just to show you what my braids look like and how I do them. If you've seen any of my other hair tutorials, you know one tip I always give is at the end of your braid out and twist out is to apply a little more product, comb it through, and coil it around your finger. That way you can avoid the frizzy ends at the end of your style when you take them out. You also want to make sure that your hair is completely smooth before you begin braiding, so that's why I'm brushing it through the way that I am. And I kind of hold the hair tight even while I'm braiding, just to keep it stretched and smooth and from curling or frizzing up as I'm braiding. So I want to kind of keep it as stretched as I can while I braid along my strands. Also, be careful while you're braiding not to accidentally share strands. So just make sure you're keeping these 3 parts of the braid in its completely defined sections. As I usually do, I let my hair set overnight. So this is what my plaits look like. I have pretty fine hair, so my braids are really tiny. But anyways, just begin taking it down, being careful. I'm going fast on here because it's fast forwarded, but I'm actually moving much slower to make sure that I keep the 3 parts of the braid. I do not like rake my fingers through them while I take them down. I'm careful and intentional about keeping them in these 3 parts. And as I'm taking these braids down, you're probably already recognizing the definition. I was absolutely amazed. Like, it was literally almost perfect definition. So you should not have any problem with frizz with this product. It easily allows you to get this type of definition. I usually get good braid out definition, but like this was on another level. It's the shine or something. I don't know. But anyways, I like it. So this is what it looks like when I took them all down. Like I said, it does say it's an elongating style cream, so my hair did fall down more than it went out, so I did a little separation just to give it a little more fullness. But this is what it looks like on my hair. So high definition and more of a downward fall is what you're going to expect with this product. I'm taking my pick just to get rid of the parts that are my head, but only fluffing enough so that it keeps the shape still. So this is the finished look. Like this video down below. I hope this video was helpful as far as understanding the product and how it might act on your hair. If you have struggles with frizz and definition, this is definitely the product. Or if you just want your hair to fall down a little more than outwards, this will help with that. It is lightweight, it doesn't feel heavy or greasy. But anyways, I selected someone to win this product, and that is Thank you all so much for always being so encouraging and supporting my channel. Don't forget to like the video below and subscribe, and I hope that I will see you in my next video.